becoming rich with money. Let me explain you with a small story. Once, a boy came to an ice cream parlor and he wanted to order an ice cream. So, he called the waitress. When the waitress arrived, she gave him the menu. The boy saw the menu and told, "How much does this ice cream cost, ma'am?" The waitress replied, 50 rupees. The boy checked his pocket and observed how much money does he have in it. Then he thought for a while and again told, "How much does this plain ice cream cost, ma'am?" The waitress was already impatient because many customers were there and wanted a table. She replied very harshly, 35 rupees. The boy told, "I want this ice cream." The waitress took away the menu and served him the ice cream with the bill. The boy ate the ice cream and paid the bill and went to his home. After some time, that waitress came to his table and started to clean up. While she was cleaning up, she found the bill and she took it. Then she continued her cleaning and while opening the tray, she saw something that had made her emotional. She started to weep. It was because the boy gave her 15 rupees as a tip. The waitress felt very shamed in her impolite answers, her impolite behavior to the boy. This is how that boy managed with that 50 rupees to get an ice cream and even give a tip to the waitress. And this is how he made his place in that waitress' heart. The same principle applies in our real life also. If we want to get others' heart, we want to become rich in others' heart, then we need to become generous, become polite. We must adjust our life and think of others also. Then they will respect us too. Thank you. If you find this video valuable, please like this video. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon so that you can get my videos first. Thank you. Have a nice day. Meet you in the next video. Bye bye.